Hi, we're here at FETC, and I'd like to show you the JAR Systems 6032 cart. This is our 32 unit cart. The first thing that you'll notice is the small footprint of this cart. It's a very small form factor, saves a lot of space in the classroom. Why is that possible? Because we have no AC adapters in this cart. This cart is completely free of AC adapters. When you don't have AC adapters, you don't need a space in the back to secure them, and plus it makes the cart 40, 50 pounds lighter, so much easier to move. How is that possible? That's possible because we have a quick sense module. There, under each shelf, we have a quick sense 16 port module, and that's what really powers this cart. So this cart gets plugged in, and then power will come out of each of the ports in the front of this quick sense module. The power comes out, and you'll see that there are 16 LED indicators. The LED indicators will give you the charging status of the devices plugged in. So if you see white, that means nothing is plugged in or it's not plugged in correctly. If you see a green, you'll know that that is fully charged and ready to work. And if you see blue, that means that that device is actively charging right now. Once you lift up the shelf, you can actually see the module itself. It's secured with 4 screws. So if there's ever a challenge with this module or this hub and it needs to be replaced, remove those 4 screws, it slides right out, send it back to us, we'll send another one, slide in, easy to service, takes just a couple minutes to service. The other important feature here is our coiled cables. So these coiled cables are important for a couple reasons. Number one, it keeps the cart tidy. Cables don't spill out of the front, getting in the way of the door. Cable management from running, when you run AC adapters from the back, you usually have some sort of cable management system. A lot of times those get broken. Kids tug on the cables, snaps those cable management. We don't have any of those problems. So this cart always stays tidy, always stays neat and organized. If that cable needs to be replaced, to rewire the cart, you simply unplug it, pull it out of a welded grommet, and I've just unwired this cart. So this is our 12-inch coiled cable, and this is super easy to service. Most of our clients just have teachers or students replace cables if it needs to happen. The last thing I'll mention is our divider system. You'll see that we've got multiple patterns here. So this is a 32 unit cart. It's configured for 32 with 32 dividers. We have a separate pattern on here that allow you to move this to a 24 unit. So if that's what you have in your classroom, that's what you need, it can be reconfigured for that. And just to unplug, simply remove the plug and remove the device, and I'll replug it, I'll reinstall it here. But of course, the coiled cable also provide another benefit, because we know that many of our kids will unplug their devices like that. That coiled cable just provides enough back pressure to be able to save the port. All right, so that's the 6032. Enjoy, thanks.